Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is another in the test runs that I have for an upcoming painting. It's all in oranges and yellows, so I'm going for a pumpkin vibe. If you hadn't picked that from the last video, and I really appreciate it if you could leave a comment down below and let me know if you think I'm on the right track. The reason why I redid this one is because I wanted to see if I could get more sparkle into it. You won't be able to see that today, but you certainly will see it in the final project. So without any further delay, let's get down and I'll show you the colors we're working with today. Okay, let's talk about our colors for just a second here, starting from the top. This is Persian Autumn Yellow by Pourage Posse. This is Christina's Lakeside or Laguna Shimmer, Pourage Posse. This is Mayan Gold, which is a ColorArte Prizm. This is Mosh, this little Piggy fluorescent or neon. This is Cinnamon by this little Piggy. Horizon by this little Piggy. Harvest Gold by this little Piggy. Cell Activators, Titanium White, Arteza, Carbon Black, Arteza, mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol. Okay, I'm going to be working on a 6-inch tile. This is another test piece. I wanted to see if I could come up with a color combination to be a little more sparkly. So most of what I have here are my this little Piggy line of very shimmery paints. I think I only have one opaque pink, which is Mosh, and semi-opaque pink, which is the Christina's Laguna Shimmer, and possibly the Persian Autumn Yellow. So let's get down to it. This is going to be my pillow paint. This is PPG Multi-Pro. This is Mosh. I'm going to put down a fair amount here. Next, I'm going to put down Horizon, which is a nice shimmery orange. Next is going to be Harvest Gold, nice deep gold. Next down is the ColorArte Mayan Gold, which is a lighter gold. Has kind of an antique look to it. Next is Christina's Laguna Shimmer. Not very much because this will take over. Okay, we just outline. This is Cinnamon by this little Piggy, and I'm just going to outline the outside of this, give myself some definition. Now my fear is that by doing this much of the cinnamon that I'm going to get a lot of brown, but we'll see. Here are my cell activators. This carbon black, and I'm going to be real careful with this. I don't want to overdo my cell activators. I did a similar color palette last week, and I'm still in search of the color palette for this this upcoming piece that I have going. Actually, in truth, it's going to be a couple of pieces, and I'll explain that to you when I get to it. Just realized I did all of that off camera, so you didn't see any of it. I'm going to do the same thing, just a little bit over the top with this, the titanium white. And both of these are ColorArte. And they're mixed with my my cell activator, which is okay. I'm going to flip this over and get a nice even swipe across this layer. Love to be able to stretch that out a little bit there, but it's not going to happen. So I'm wondering if I should just go ahead and dump it off on this side so I get rid of some of that black, if that's what I really want to do. Now, I'm looking that I've got some white over here and some white over here that I'm going to have to stretch past, and I don't really have enough paint over here, nor on that side. That side probably would be okay, but this side I don't think so. So I'm going to add just a little bit of paint on that side. But not a lot. That's it. Just want to make sure I get over the edge on that side. I don't want to do too much stretching. Side to side is going to make things go wonky. crazy about this over here. It didn't get any cell activator. I'm wondering, what do you guys think? Maybe I should put some cell activator into that area, or just leave it alone and let it spin. And I've stretched it enough that I'm afraid that if I do swipe that area, it's going to look odd. I learned that from the last one, that not to pick up and put back onto the canvas on this smaller surface. Larger surface you can get away with it because you have more paint you're dealing with. Okay, let's take a spin. Not hard, although it feels really hard. I just want to see what happens. Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. I don't mind that negative space. This negative space is not a turn-off for me. I certainly want to maintain some of these in the middle. Basically, so the only thing I can really do at this point is to move this off center, because I've got plenty off on this side. I don't have enough on that side, surprisingly enough. I'm just going to scooch it over. Not much. About a ½ inch. And still waiting for it to go over on this side over here. I'm going to pick up a little paint. Do some finger painting. It mostly did go off. I'm not unhappy about that. Okay. A little on this side needs to come off. So as I thought would happen, that cinnamon looks very, very brown against everything. And I'm not necessarily unhappy with the brown. It's just, it's clashing with that yellow and on the other side. And along here, I'm not sure I like it. I'm going to live with it, and we're going to see what happens. I need to spin it just a little bit more, because then you get some more of this paint off. And this is all I'm trying to do, is get paint off the tile. Gonna have some mess over there if I don't take care of that. But I think with that, we are about done. I'll bring you down for the flyover in 2 seconds. Okay, let's see what we have here. You can see that I did get some really, some big juicy cells on this. My stratification on the colors are a little more linear than I was actually hoping for. I thought they're going to mix a lot more, but I'm not unhappy with that look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below on this piece. If it's an improvement, or to go back to what I had before, maybe find another way. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.